In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create insightful reports in Airtable. We'll walk through building a clean reporting setup that turns your raw data into clear, reliable insights you can share and act on. Start by opening Airtable on your desktop and logging in. Create a fresh base if you're starting from scratch, or open the base where your reporting will live. This is your foundation, so pick the workspace that makes the most sense for your team. Before building anything, map your reporting needs. Write down the tables and linked records you need to include, the key metrics or KPIs you want to calculate, any filters for slicing data by segment or status, the timeframes you'll report on, and the charts or visuals you'll want to display. This planning step keeps everything focused and prevents rework later. Next, make sure your base includes the right core tables. You'll want a primary data table that holds the records you'll analyze, plus linked tables that add context, like sales, projects, or clients. Consider a metrics or calculations table to centralize KPIs and summaries, and a charts or visuals area, whether that's a dedicated table or a dashboard view. Link tables appropriately, so roll-ups and summaries aggregate the way you expect. Define fields for reporting clarity. Use single-line text for names or identifiers, single select for statuses and categories, date fields for timelines and reporting periods, and number or currency fields for values you'll total or chart. Add formulas to calculate totals, averages, and ratios, and roll-up or lookup fields to pull in and aggregate linked data. Structured fields make your reports accurate and automation ready. Create views that present your data for different audiences. Keep an all data view as your master reference. Add grouped or filtered views by category or status, time-based views for specific date ranges, and a summary view that surfaces totals and averages. Views give you insights without changing your raw data. Quick note: I've placed the Airtable website link and the download link if you prefer the app right at the top of the description so you can follow along step by step. Set up automations to save time. Schedule weekly or monthly report emails. Notify stakeholders when thresholds are met. Update summary tables when records change. And refresh dashboards as new data arrives. Apply conditional logic with formulas to highlight high priority items, flag trends or anomalies, and calculate percentages or other KPIs automatically. Test everything with sample data. Confirm automations trigger, views filter correctly, and conditional logic highlights what matters. Finally, maintain and optimize. Review tables, views, automations, and formulas regularly, and update dashboards as your needs evolve. That's how you can create insightful reports in Airtable to track, summarize, and visualize your data effectively. Thanks for watching.